Supreme Court directed the state of bank to disclose serial number details to the Election Commission and asked the poll body to publish the data. The court has also directed that Dinesh Khara, SBI chairman, should file an affidavit confirming that no bond details have been withheld. Ashmit joins in with more details. Ashmit, over to you.
Well, strong words coming in from the top court. The Supreme Court not impressed by the conduct of SBI, questioning SBI's attitude as to why it has taken so many orders and directions from the top court to disclose those serial numbers altogether. Hari Salve, appearing for SBI, sought to give an explanation, but the long and short of today's proceedings essentially is that the apex court has passed an order clarifying its position unequivocally. The Supreme Court has said that when we originally passed the order, we meant all disclosure, all details regarding electoral bonds. The Supreme Court said that when it listed out details such as denominations, such as dates, such as names of donors, that was not an exhaustive list. The understanding should have been clear to the SBI. So with that, a direction now coming SBI's way that they have to share amongst all details the unique serial number that was assigned to individual electoral bonds. Not just that, the Supreme Court, out of abundant caution, is now also seeking an affidavit from none other than the chairman of SBI, stating very clearly in clear terms that no details are being withheld. Now, this was an issue that was fiercely contested, the disclosure of alphanumeric norms particularly, because the understanding is that these alphanumeric numbers will help draw a direct linkage between specific donors and the specific political parties. So far, the donations and the names of donors is in one separate list, and the names of political parties is in a separate list altogether. Also interesting to note that the leading industry bodies of our country, that CII, FICCI, ASSOCHAM, had also moved the top court. They had also contested release of these alphanumeric numbers. They said that we were heard at no point in this entire dispute. We stand to get affected and that we need to be given a hearing, and there should be a deferral of any directions for releasing of those alphanumeric numbers. That application was not taken up for hearing today. That is to be taken up for a later date, but clearly concerns being expressed also by the industry bodies on what the fallout, the implications could be as a result of the release of these alphanumeric numbers. Back to you.
Thanks for that, Ashmit. A very, very critical story right in the middle of when we are entering the election season.